Hello everyone, myself Rohan Bansod and I welcome you to the demo of how to use TBox automation tools module TBox evaluation tool. Now let's go to Tosca. TBox evaluation tool module can be found in modules, standard modules, TBox automation tools, expression evaluation. This module allows you to compare different values. The result of this comparison can either be true or false. This module contains a single module attribute which is expression. This module attribute is used to define dynamic expression, and you can also specify more than one expression within a test step. The values which are not handled as strings need to be specified between a single quotation mark. The action mode verify is used here. Now let's drag and drop this module in our test case. I will rename this test step. For comparing the values, I have used TBox set buffer in which I have set the three buffers naming as A, B and C. The value of buffer A is ABC and the value of buffer B is also ABC. I will call this buffer here. I will give a equals to sign to see whether the buffer values of A and B are the same. The action mode by default is verify here. Now I will just right click run. As you can see, the test case has been passed and the result has been shown as true. The value which is present in buffer A is equal to the value which is present in buffer B. The next example which I will be taking is the value which is present in buffer C is greater than the value which we enter. I will call the buffer C here. And I would like to evaluate here that the value of buffer C is greater than 5. Now I will run it. You can see the test case has been passed and the value is evaluated to true. I will now mark this work state as completed. This is how we use the TBox evaluation module for comparing the two values or verifying the values are equal. Thank you for watching this video.
We hope you're enjoying Tosca in Heartbeat, the microlearning solution from the Tricentis Academy. Have you found the answers you were looking for? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos and can learn something new every week.